Hello, boys and girls. This is Basler here again. I thought since we are having an exciting week, we're down to 3 letters in the alphabet left. Can you believe it? X, Y, and Z. So I have my X today. I made a gigantic one with those 2 slanted lines. I just colored them 2 different colors because I just love the color. So I made a game that I thought is pretty easy that you might like to do to spend some time on X. Let me show you some of the things I needed. I brought a pair of scissors. I have tape. I have a marker. I have some paper. And I have red cups. Now, I started working on this game, you might see, earlier today. I'm going to put that down. But I bought an extra red cup just to show you. It's just a plastic picnic cup on exactly how to make this game. So you'll need 3 cups, but I'm going to show you what to do. So the marker for our game is to write a number. I chose to use numbers. I'm going to write a number 4 on here. The other cups for my game, I put a 1, a 2, and a 3 on. And that's really all you need. But if you wanted to make it a little bit harder, we're going to use a piece of paper to cover up that number. And I had my scissors with me to make sure I put my thumb in the top hole. And I cut this paper so that it would make a shape that would easily go over the top of that number. So I'm going to put my scissors down. I'm going to have some extra paper because I had it folded. Oh, I need my scissor one more time. I forgot. I'm going to fold the paper just a little bit. I'm going to make it like a window shade because it's going to go on top of the 4 to hide it. But I'm going to use my scissors and take just a little snip in on each side, just like this, so that it can lift up and down. Now the tape, I'm using the tape for to put on that top part. And then I'm going to go to my cup and my 4, and I'm going to put that top part right over the top of the 4, lay down my tape so that, now look, can you see the 4? No, but if I lift this up, can you see the 4? And that's all you need to do. So that's how you make the cups for the game. Now I'll show you my cups because I have them all done. And I told you I had 3 of them. So you can't see the numbers. You don't need to do that. You could play the game just like this without numbering them if you want. Or you could put 1, 2, 3 on that you can see them. I just kind of made it harder. So then what I decided to do is I have my game pieces. I decided to look for things with that X in it, or starts with it, or even ends with it. So the first thing I found in my alphabet puzzle was the letter X itself. So what you're going to do is have your family sit there, or your brother and sister and mom. You're going to get the cups and you're going to get that puzzle piece and you're going to put it under one of the cups. And then you're going to say, okay, here we go. I'm going to mix up all these cups. And which one of these cups do you think that X is under? Now, you can do it just like that, and they can pick a cup. Or you could say, is it under number 3? Is it under number 2? Or is it under number 1? And let them guess. So let's pick number 1. Do you think it's under here? I mixed them all up. Nope, that means it's under this one or this one. Oh, how about this one? Oh no, I tricked myself. I think it's, there it is. So I'm going to put that away. And I did find another toy out of another puzzle. It's the Z sound of the Z. Z. Xylophone. So get your cups together again and tell everybody not to be watching, and then you're going to pick up your cups and you have your piece under it and say, okay, everybody look, I'm going to mix them all up. Okay, there I am. Again, you can pick a cup. Where do you think it went? Or you can look at the numbers again. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, they lined up. 1, 2, 3. How about this one? Oh, no, I didn't get it again. It means it should be under one of those. How about this one? Oh, no! I tricked myself again. Do you think it's under... There's that xylophone. Should we do one more thing? I did find a little box. Box has the X at the end. Box. So get your cups together. Tell everybody, close your eyes. Tell them to close your eyes because you don't want them to see where you're putting that X. All right, we'll go around and around and around and around again. Do you think it's under here? Under there? Under here? Should we look at the numbers? Do you think it's under 3? Do you think it's under 2? Do you think it's under 1? I'm going to guess the middle. That's where it tricked me last time. Oh, no, it's not there. That means I have to choose, is the box here or here? Oh, I tricked myself 3 times, but that's okay. It's just a game. There is that box. Oops, I can't open it. There is that box. So this is just a fun game you can make. Now, you don't have to use just the letter X. Maybe you want to play another game and pick another alphabet letter. Maybe things that start with B. Or maybe things that start with the first letter of your name. And just tell everybody, close your eyes. Don't look. Put it under 1. Pick one. Switch them all around. And then see if they can guess where that is. I hope you had fun playing my game. I did it with the letter X things, but you can do it with whatever letter you want and just have fun. You can also maybe not use numbers. You can use the alphabet letters themselves. Or maybe you want to draw like a star and a ball and a flower and then have them guess, is it under the star? Is it under the flowers? Is it? And just have some fun playing the game and also remembering the sound of your letters and finding things to go with those letters. I hope you had fun today, boys and girls, with a little game you can make that you can play with your alphabet letters, your numbers, and maybe even counting. All right, have a great day, boys and girls. Bye-bye. I'll talk to you later.